welcome to my channel. My name is Caprielannissa. Today I am here to share with you guys my wash day routine, and I thought what better time to show you guys my wash routine when my scabs are about to fall. Of course, you guys know I have gotten a hair transplant from Longevita in Turkey, and I did just want to share you guys my updated process with my wash journey. So far so good. I am loving my results, and of course from day 10 to 15 post-op you are supposed to start massaging off the scabs and getting off the scabs by day 15. I am in no rush whatsoever trying to get these scabs off. I am just gonna show you guys how long it takes to get these scabs off, and in the end you guys will see the results. Right now, currently, this is my hairline with all the scabs that are on there. I've had a few of them fall off. And this is what my back donor area is looking like. These are the two products that were given to me by Longevita. It's a hair foam, and this is the shampoo. It is a anti-hair loss shampoo. So I would imagine this is a whole anti-hair loss system that you should use for your hair transplant, and probably should continue to use these products. If you happen to have a hair transplant, I will definitely try to find products relatable to your anti-hair loss shampoo foam set. Starting with the foam, I have to put this on my hair, let it sit for 30 minutes. I have also started using the foam on the back of my donor area, which I felt like it helped aid in getting the scabs off in the back a lot faster. While this is sitting on my head for 30 minutes, I am gathering my products that I will need in the shower: the container and some napkins, some paper towels. I tend to use the little folded ones just because I feel like they're a little bit more, gentler than just the hard paper towels. I put that in the shower. So I typically have my towel hanging just because I don't like water in my eyes. It's shower time. Also, another thing I do like to do, I like to leave the door open just so that there's not a lot of steam going on while washing my head, so I can still cool down and I'm not sweating, you know what I mean? So kind of just leave the door cracked if you can. have finally reached day 15 during this whole process. The hair transplant has actually stuck. I really feel that they're in there. I have not washed my hair yet for the day 15 yet, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm actually, this is results of day 14 wash off, and I have no scabs. All the scabs have came off. Right now, I'm just still doing my shampoo foam routine as usual. I'm gonna continue to use up all the product until it's gone. I am going to go ahead and shampoo my hair anyway and still give you guys the results as a 360 spin as always. But I did just want to let you guys know that the hair shedding took me till day 14 to do, or to get off all the scabs. So I'm actually able to see my results sticking through. I don't really want to tamper with it too much. We need the hair follicles that I have to thicken up in some areas, so I just kind of let it be. I don't really want to touch it too much. Less manipulation the better, as always with any type of hair growth situation. So I'm just letting things take its course on its own. I'm gonna go ahead and do my shampoo for the day, and then I will show you guys the end results and show you guys what is to come next. With this whole process, always remember to be gentle. Even though this is about the scabs falling off in the front, you definitely still want to give some TLC to the back and massage really good. But just to let you guys know what's to come, I am going to be doing different hairstyles, protective hairstyles at that, where I'm not just jumping into a wig. I will be going over product recommendations for this situation: hair loss, traction, alopecia, you name it. And I also will be just helping out the community, because I once were you, whomever's watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are hitting the subscribe button and bell notification button next to it so that you'll be notified whenever I upload.